Ever noticed how sunroofs are becoming a must-have feature in modern cars, even in budget SUVs and sedans? What was once considered a luxury is now an automotive trend catching fire across India. With the rising demand for comfort, style, and custom features, the automotive sunroof market in India is booming. Whether you're planning to manufacture sunroofs, import and sell them, or set up a retrofit center, this industry has immense potential and scalability. And in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start your own automotive sunroof business in India, from planning to legal setup, marketing, and even profit margins. Here's what we'll cover: your ideal target audience, market size and trends, sales and marketing strategies, costing and profit margins, legal and funding requirements, and how Market Research Universe, or MRU, can help you succeed. So stay tuned, take notes, and let's get your business sunroof ready. Stick around with us, as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. First, who's going to buy your product? Your sunroof business can serve car manufacturers, OEMs, automobile showrooms, auto modification centers, fleet operators, and luxury cab aggregators, and individual car owners seeking a premium upgrade. You can also explore B2B partnerships with online accessory retailers and even export kits to Africa and the Middle East. The global automotive sunroof market is valued at $24.25 billion and growing at a CAGR of 7%. In India, SUV sales are skyrocketing, and people are willing to spend on comfort and design. Panoramic sunroofs, tilt and slide models, and even electric glass roofs are in demand. This is your cue to enter a segment where demand is high and options are expanding fast. How will you sell? Start by identifying your strength. B2B model for large bulk orders from showrooms and OEMs, or B2C model with online sales, fitment centers, or both. Use digital marketing, especially YouTube, Instagram car influencers, and local SEO. Build dealer networks, attend expos like Auto Expo India, and offer custom fitment options. And don't forget, customer experience matters. Educate buyers about safety, warranty, and design benefits. So, let's talk money. Estimated setup costs: manufacturing import setup, Rs 20-30 lakhs, depending on whether you manufacture domestically or import parts. Licensing and legal compliance, Rs 50,001 lakh R&D, and prototyping, Rs 3-5 lakhs for design, testing, and innovation. Initial inventory, procurement, Rs 10-15 lakhs based on volume and product range. Marketing and branding, Rs 2-4 lakhs, including digital campaigns, packaging, and dealer promotions. Manpower and training, Rs 2-3 lakhs month for technicians, sales, and admin team. Workshop, fitment center setup, if retail focused. Rs 5-8 lakhs, rent, tools, and machinery. Contingency, working capital. Buffer, Rs 3-5 lakhs. Now, what about profit margins? If you're into manufacturing or wholesale, you can expect margins around 15 to 25%. For retail installation, it can go up to 35%. And if you're doing custom panoramic fitments, those margins can be as high as 50%. And yes, you can actually break even within 12 to 18 months if you market smartly and build partnerships early on. When it comes to funding, you can start with bootstrapping, or you might want to explore options like the Startup India Seed Fund bank loans under CGTMSE, or even venture capital if your business is tech-based. Equipment leasing is also a good idea for fitment tools. On the legal side, you'll need to register your business either as an LLP or private limited company. Don't forget to get your GST and import-export code. You'll also need ARAI or BIS certifications for safety and trade and factory licenses if you're going into manufacturing. Here's what you'll need to get started. PAN, Aadhaar, and business registration documents, a GST certificate, and an IEC code if you're planning to import. It's also important to get trademark registration for your branding and insurance for installation safety. Keeping your paperwork clean really helps with funding, compliance, and building strong partnerships. If you're serious about launching a sunroof business and want data-backed clarity, Market Research Universe, or MRU, is here for you. We help you with a range of services, including real-time market research reports, investor pitch decks and business plans for funding, competitor benchmarking and consumer insights, feasibility studies and financial modeling, business registration, regulatory compliance guidance, supplier mapping, and even go-to-market strategy and sales channel optimization. Whether you're building a brand or a factory, we help you avoid costly mistakes and scale faster.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.